Hi, everyone. Dr. Michelle Lee here. I am one of the clinical ambassadors for Dental Advisor. I also have a private practice about an hour and a half from Philadelphia in Fleetwood, Pennsylvania. I most enjoy having a relationship based, patient centered practice where I am able to treat the patients from the health of the jaw joints, the temporomandibular joint, stabilizing occlusion, and delivering form, function, and aesthetics and creating healthy, beautiful smiles. So today, I want to bring together a case that I have documented, and it's utilizing OMNICHROMA Flow Bulk by Tokiyama. I have been an early adopter of Tokiyama's product over the years. They've been a part of my composite workflow from their SLite line, their universal composites, and I have been really enjoying their OmniChroma Flow Bulk. It's been great in class 2 restorations as a single layer. I am able to cure up to 3.5 millimeters. Class 1s, it's been predictable, highly polishable, low polymerization shrinkage, and just really the ease of use has been really great. It's really surprised me in a really wonderful way. And I have a class 1 restoration that I wanted to share with you that I just recently did. We prepared the tooth for an occlusal buccal restoration. I did a rubber dam isolation technique, selective etching, and I was able to use the OmniChroma Flow Bulk as a single layer on the occlusal and along the buccal. And it has a really nice chameleon composite shade matching effect. It was polishable, and the patient was really pleased because the procedure was predictable and it was done in a very timely fashion.
Here is another case where a patient came in with a fractured central tooth. A class 4 restoration was needed on tooth number 9. I envisioned creating a siltec putty matrix. I took an impression, waxed up the tooth, created a matrix so I could create a lingual shelf. I envisioned using OmniChroma Flow Bulk as a lingual shelf, which made, in this case, all the difference for me. I love the viscosity and the adaptation of the composite in creating the lingual shelf as it provided an initial framework for the restoration. I then used OmniChroma Blocker to manage the value and create a seamless transition between the natural tooth structure and the overall restoration. I then created the form and function of the shape of the restoration, and which was critical for me in managing this high aesthetic anterior restoration. I then finally was able to fill in the rest with the Tokiyama Estelite Dentin and Enamel Shade 1 and Dentin Shade 1. It polished beautifully. I used translucent composite for the incisal edge finishing. I used diamond paste and discs to final polish.
OmniChroma Flow Bulk is definitely a tool in my toolbox in my dental practice and providing some of the composites restorations for my patients. I think what I love most about the OmniChroma Flow Bulk would be the single shade ability. It matches pretty much any restoration you put this material into. It really does have this chameleon effect. This one shade system definitely minimizes the multiple shades that I've carried in my practice. The flow is another big one for me as well. I'm not finding that I am taking a radiograph after, and since it's a flowable composite, I worry about air bubbles or voids or whatnot. I have not found that. I think the low viscosity, the flow, they've really dialed that in, and the tip and the just how it's delivered, I think is really nice in that way. And then lastly, just the bulk fill capacity to be able to use one single composite all the way up to the top of your restorations, up to the 3.5 millimeter mark, has been impactful. definitely some of the larger restorations, that layering can become challenging. And also, if we're utilizing on a patient where we might have some isolation issues or timing or whatnot, it's definitely been very helpful. I will be using this product more and more. I've already been using it, but looking forward to sharing it with everyone.